Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making fresh vegetable soup. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 4 cups of vegetable broth, 2 cups of cannellini beans, that's the white kidney beans. You want to drain them and rinse them. 6 tablespoons of shredded parmesan cheese, 1 cup of onion diced, 1 cup of matchstick carrots, 1 small zucchini chopped, 1 cup of celery chopped, 1 cup of green beans cut into 1-inch pieces, 1 large roma tomato, you want to seed it and then you want to chop it, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 2 tablespoons of fresh basil chopped, 3 large garlic cloves minced, 2 packets of goya salad and vegetable seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and 2 teaspoons of onion powder. Okay guys, in a heated Dutch oven, I'm going to add my 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Next, I'm going to add in my onion, my celery, carrots, and also my green beans. I'm going to go ahead and mix that all together until it's well combined. You're going to lower your heat to medium-low. We're going to place our lid over top and we're going to let that cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Okay guys, you do want to stir occasionally, and we're just cooking them until our vegetables get tender. Okay guys, you want to remove your lid. Now we're going to add in our zucchini, our minced garlic, salt, and the thyme. I'm going to mix that together and we're going to let that cook for 1 minute. Okay guys, next we're going to add in our vegetable broth. To the vegetable broth, we're going to add in our cannellini beans. You want to raise your heat back up to medium. We're going to mix that around. Now you want to add in your tomatoes, garlic powder, onion powder, and your 2 packs of salad and vegetable seasoning. Make sure everything is nice and well combined. And you guys can taste it now. If you need to add anything else, this is the time to do it. Now all you want to do is place your lid on top and let that cook for 20 minutes. Okay guys, after 20 minutes, you can remove the lid, but turn your heat off. Look how delicious that looks. If you could see it with all this steam. So now all we're going to do is put in our fresh basil. And we're going to mix it until it's well combined. Okay guys, now you can go ahead in with your Parmesan cheese. I'm just going to sprinkle some over top. Just like that. And here you have it, your fresh vegetable soup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.